Sam. This is my 1999 Chevy E3500 Campulance.
This content is sponsored by Outdoorsy. Through Outdoorsy, you can rent your camper van out to make extra cash, and you can rent a van to try van life before you commit.
Yeah, so it's only got 61,000 miles on it, which is great since it's a 1999 vehicle. It's four-wheel drive, so you can really take it anywhere. Last year during COVID, I was able to work remotely, so I outfitted a Chevy Express, actually a cargo van. Traveled and lived in that for a few months, and then recently moved to Seattle and decided to get this bad boy. A company called Ambulance Conversions actually converted this, and then the previous owner bought it from them, and she lived out of it for a few months. And then I just picked it up from her a few weeks ago. Yeah, so it's got a full shower, a little curtain for you, splashback, like tiling on the outside, retractable shower head. You can also shower outside if you want because it reaches outside, which is cool. And there's a toilet here, as you can see, and this is a portable toilet, so you can just, lift it up and take it out of the shower, whenever you're taking a shower. And then when you want to use the bathroom, you can leave this out in the living area, or you can put it, it's kind of nice to have it like in this separate little shower protected area. And this is a dry flush toilet, so it's super easy, kind of like puts everything in these aluminum bags, and you just take out the bags when you're done. There's a 16-gallon water tank for your, the sink for the drinking water, and then also for the shower. There's a Bosch hot water heater, so you can take cold showers, you can take hot showers. With 16 gallons, you could definitely take a shower for maybe a 5-minute shower. But yeah, it's a pretty sizable amount. So there's a little pass-through here to the cab, which is kind of cool. You can walk back and forth when you're stealth camping. These are all original Ambulance, little storage lockers. So there's really just ample storage in here, which is super nice. And there's the electrical compartment in there. We got a kitchen, induction stove, fully electric, really legit kitchen sink, quite deep, so you can actually do dishes and stuff in here. The nozzle comes out, which is nice. Hot and cold water. There's a freshwater drinking filter near the water tank, so this is drinking water here. And then this is the cabinet where you've got pots, pans, silverware. There's a microwave, which I don't really use on the road, but if you want to cook some ramen or some popcorn, you've got that. And there's a pretty beefy power supply for the vehicle, so you don't really have to worry about using too much power like with the induction stove or even the microwave for something quick. Yes, we've got a Dometic fridge freezer here, it's the CFX. Really huge fridge and freezer compartments, so you really can fit a lot of food in here, which is nice. Probably pretty easily like a week's worth of groceries. It runs off DC power, so it's always on even when you're not turning on the AC power, which is nice, and it's sort of like ultra efficient. All our switches are up here. We have a SimpliSafe security system, so it's pretty cool. Like, it'll sound an alarm if you have it armed and any of the exterior doors is open. There's also a panic button by the bed, so if you're alone in the van, you can hit that and it'll make a crazy noise. There's a pull-out table slide here, so if you want to sit here and eat or work, and then somebody can sit across from you. And then these drawers all open. There's 4 of these drawers, and they have magnets to keep them secure when you're driving, so that's really nice. Full-size bed, pretty comfortably sleep 2 people next to each other. I'm 5'10", and I have multiple extra feet of space when I lie down this way, so we're in an ambulance. It's super, super wide, so you've got easily more than 6 feet of width. There's also some storage compartments back there at the foot of the bed, which is nice. Some cabinets here that open for more storage. So yeah, storage is really the name of the game with the ambulance. There's a ton of it. Yeah, so we got lots of storage under the bed right here in the back, which is great. Follow me around. We've got a spare tire here. So this is the electrical compartment. We've got 600 watts of solar on the roof and 600 amp hours of battery power. We've got a 4,000 watt pure sine inverter, solar charge converter, fresh water filter in here, and then you can also plug the vehicle into shore power. So when you're at an RV site or at home, you can also charge the batteries directly from shore power, and they also charge from the alternator when you turn the engine on. And 16-gallon water tank, extra portable water tank, and then the Bosch hot water heater. Yeah, thanks for checking out my ambulance. And if you want to rent it, check out the link on Outdoorsy below, and hope to see you on the road.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you hadn't noticed, we do sell an ebook for how to convert a van. It has over 190 pages of detailed instructions and diagrams, also 25 video tutorials which are specifically for the ebook buyer. Creating a van for many people is obviously a really intimidating project, but I really believe, and I've seen it time and time and time again, that with the right information, anyone can turn out with a pretty decent van conversion. So check the link in the description, subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and drop us a comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.